Oftentimes, students will come to academic advisors wondering what their requirements would be if they were to change programs. A what-if scenario report is one of the new additions to the academic progress tile that you will find in myStudentSystem. Students admitted or declared as of fall 2019 will have access to the academic progress tile in myStudentSystem. The academic progress tile will give students access to two different unofficial program planning tools, the Academic Program Progress Report and a WhatIf Report. The WhatIf Report is a simulation indicating what if a student were to change their program and what that looks like. The report will allow students who are considering changing programs the option of seeing how their completed, enrolled, or transferred credits may fit in a different McEwen program of studies. The WhatIf report will allow a student to run different scenarios to see how their current course history, again their completed, transferred, or enrolled courses, or future planned courses may fit into another program of study at McEwen. Students will be able to run this multiple times and save copies of their scenarios. The information that you can get from the WhatIf report is hypothetical planning. It is a tool specifically for hypothetical planning, as many factors come into consideration when looking at what courses will work in different programs of study versus not. The requirements that a student follows in a program are either based on the year in which they were admitted to the program, those programs that do not require a declaration, or the year in which a student declares their program of study, those programs that have multiple majors and minors as options. The WhatIf report will only provide simulations based on approved programs of study for a current academic year. If you are considering changing your program of study, the WhatIf report is a very useful tool. However, there are some important things to keep in mind with regards to program planning and admissions. If the WhatIf report has you thinking about changing programs, you should be connecting with an academic advisor first. If you determine that you do wish to change your program and this WhatIf report has provided you with some information on a potential program path, it is encouraged that you speak to an academic advisor to explore what the process entails. Academic advisors at the McEwen Academic Advising Center can explain what it means to change your program and connect you with the school or faculty academic advisor if necessary. The WhatIf report is an unofficial tool, and you should use it to plan alongside your academic calendar and the advice of an academic advisor. You will not be able to change your program through the WhatIf report. Depending on the type of change you are looking to make, you will either be redeclaring a program of study path on myStudentSystem or applying as a brand new student to a different program at McEwen. These cannot be completed through the WhatIf report. Redeclaring majors or minors does have an impact on the progression of your credential, as requirements are based on the year in which a student declares or subsequently redeclares. You should consult with your program's academic advisor to get additional information on the impact of redeclaring. If you are looking to change from one degree, diploma, or certificate to another, you will need to apply. If you want to change from your current program to another, you will need to reapply to McEwen through the admissions process. You will be responsible for learning about the admission criteria, competitive in some cases, the deadlines, and any additional admissions requirements for that specific program. You'll apply online per the stated deadlines posted by the Office of the University Registrar and have the application fees and admissions deposits assessed as well. Admission criteria is updated each year and would be accessible by viewing the program page of the program you are looking to apply to. The WhatIf report will not reflect internal laddering or block transferring options. Block transfer or laddering agreements made internally at McEwen, those, for example, of a McEwen University diploma that will go into a McEwen University degree, they are not captured by generating a what-if scenario. You will need to connect with an academic advisor to learn if your current program has block transfer or laddering opportunities.